Ever feel like your finances are a jumbled mess? Subscriptions sneakily draining your account, that afternoon latte habit leaving you latte D and broke? Fear not, frustrated friend. There's an app for that, and it's called Snoop. Snoop isn't your creepy uncle following you around the grocery store, although maybe check your privacy settings if that's happening. This Snoop is a financial guru in your pocket, analyzing your spending, spotting sneaky fees, and even helping you switch to better deals. But here's the thing, to truly unleash Snoop's budgeting brilliance, you need to connect your bank accounts. And that, my friends, leads to our burning question: what banks does Snoop actually support? Fear not, financially fearless adventurer. We're here to crack the code and shed light on Snoop's bank buddies. Buckle up, grab your metaphorical magnifying glass, and let's dive into the world of Snoop-supported banks. The big players, familiar faces on Snoop's team. Snoop isn't picky when it comes to the big banks. From the lions of Lloyd's to the red and black dominance of Barclays, most major UK high street banks are on board. HSBC, the bank that helps your money go further, according to their catchy jingle, is also a Snoop-approved partner. Feeling a little more modern with your banking? No worries. Snoop gets along swimmingly with the new wave of app-based banks. Monzo, the challenger bank with the bright coral card, and Revolut, the global financial chameleon, are both Snoop-compatible. Beyond the big names, unveiling niche compatibility. But wait, there's more. Snoop isn't just about the big guys. Looking for a more personal touch with your banking? Nationwide, the Building Society with a Mutual Heart is a Snoop-approved option. Feeling the Irish spirit? Bank of Ireland also joins the Snoop party. Do you crave the flexibility of a credit card but still want Snoop's watchful eye? Fear not, credit card warriors. A range of credit card providers, including Barclaycard, Capital One, and even MBNA, are compatible with Snoop. Looking ahead, the future of Snoop's bank buddies. The world of finance is ever evolving, and Snoop is constantly on the lookout for new partners. While some banks, like the Co-op and Triodos Bank, are still on the coming soon list, you can be sure Snoop's developer team is working hard to expand their network. The final Snoop down, the wrap-up. So there you have it, folks. The mystery of Snoop's supported banks is no more. From the high street giants to the app-based upstarts, Snoop has a network that caters to a wide range of financial preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy snooping.